Hello and welcome to the interactive tutorial series about the Nextjs. So today I am going to share about the very basic introductory of the Nextjs. So let's start. So let's say in short, what is Nextjs? So basically Nextjs is a React framework that provides you building blocks to create a faster web application. So that's very pretty simple. And before jump to the Nextjs, we need to know about the building blocks of the web application. I think if you previously worked in React, then you may be very much familiar with this term about the building blocks. So basically, like the building blocks can be the user interface, from where the consumers are interact with your application and the routing. It can be how users navigate between different parts of the application, and the data facing it can be if you from where the application retrieve the data. It can be the live server or can be the local storage or anything. And the another part is like the rendering, when and where you render the static and dynamic content. And the integrations, it can be like third party services that you may need to integrate in your application. And obvious thing is like the performance. Everyone wants to optimize the web application, so the performance is another important building blocks in any kind of web application. Now we need to know about what is React. So basically, like, React is a JavaScript library for building interactive user interfaces. So here the library term means like the React provides helpful functions to build UI, but it depends on the developer, like where to use those functions in their applications. It can be depends on the requirements of the application. So now we need to know what is Next.js. So basically Next.js is a React framework that gives your building blocks to create a web application. And here the framework means like Next.js handles the tooling and configurations needed for React, and provides some additional structure, features, and optimization for your application. So yeah, now we need to know how Next.js works. So basically multiple ways to build a web application in React. And Next.js here to helps you to provide a framework to structure your web application in a way that it can optimize, and that both helps can both the development process for a developer and the applications faster. Now we need to know in a development and production stages how Next.js works. So in the development stages, optimizes for the developer and their experience building the application. So Next.js basically aims to provide some features that helps the developer experiences. It can it provides the TypeScript as well as ESLint integration, and makes that it provides the hot reloading feature in your development environment, and that makes the faster refresh during the development process. Now in the production stages, it optimizes for the end users who basically consume the application, and it gives a better user experiences. And it basically provides some features that done this job. It is like the compiling feature, and also the minifying the application, and the bundling the application, and also the code splitting. That basically done this job to make the application faster for the users. Now the important question, when to use Next.js. So basically here are few goals that you can achieve through Next.js. So it basically increase in conversion rate and sales, boost of marketing channels, overtake of competition, better user experiences, lower maintenance cost, and the easier business scaling, and also improve the performance of your web app and application. So here are few Nextjs pros. So like for the business owners, for marketers, and for the developers as well. So for the business owners, like unique user experiences, adaptability and responsiveness of the application, and also it provides a strong data security layer, and also the faster time to market to release the web application, and there are very much few page load time. And for the marketers, basically it has like higher sales numbers and increased conversion rate, and it provides the SEO optimization feature. And now for the developers, basically all types of React advantages you also can use here in Next.js. So here are few of them, like the reusable components, CSS parser, fast refresh, hybrid of server-side rendering, and the server and the client-side rendering, both you can use as a hybrid. And also the incremental static regeneration, and it can support the TypeScript, and also zero configuration, like the webpack and the data fetching, API routes, and the code splitting. And also it has like the great community support. And besides with that Next.js pros, like here are few cons of Next.js. It can be like the cost of flexibility, development and management cost is higher, and also the lack of built-in state management, and also the low on plugins. So hopefully you enjoy the introductory of Next.js. In the next tutorial we will create a very basic app of Next.js. So till then, thank you.